Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and close a trade in eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website if you're not already by going to eToro.com right here, and once you open it up it's going to look like this. If you're on your mobile device you can just open up the application and you're going to see the join eToro option that's going to enable you to go ahead and sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and open up the login option right here in the upper right corner, and once you go ahead and log into your account you're going to be greeted by the main page where you can access your profile picture in the upper right corner. That's going to open up your portfolio, dashboard, wallet, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to close trades. So basically you're going to open up the trading platform by going into the trading markets, and then we can go ahead and get started following the steps in this article right here in the official Help eToro website. So basically we are going to go to our portfolio, and you can open up your eToro account and click portfolio in the left hand menu that's going to appear right here, and then you're going to click on the relevant instrument to see the breakdown into individual positions. Click on sell next to the position you wish to close. So this is important. You're going to click sell next to the position that you wish to close in your trading markets, and on the new screen just confirm with the sell button at the bottom. This is going to enable you to sell that position and close it successfully, and that's how you go ahead and close a trade. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.